So hello WrenchXperts family. So today we have this Katana gear knob. So let's take it out. So as you can see the packaging here. Let's unwrap it. And here we go. So as you can see, so this is the long one. You can see the dragon design. So it is compatible with all manual cars. The length is also good. As you can see, it's a fabric grip. So we also have this in small version as well. So let's take it out. It is also wrapped and same premium packaging. Same dragon. Same fabric grip and same premium design. Length is very handy and same, it is also very universal, compatible with all the manual cars.